Hello everyone. This is my second videos on my YouTube channel. So please help me to increase my subscriber so that it will motivate me to make more videos so that I can upload on YouTube. So today's discussion, you can say today's I am going to make a videos on how to install Camstudio. If you are using Windows 8.1, you will be facing a problem, something like that, unable to open a Camstudio. Suppose this is a Camstudio software which is already being installed in my system. If you are new, you might have been installing the software, but you might have facing problems like Camstudio is unable to open because you are using Windows 8.1. If you are using Windows 10, there is no problem any such, but if you are using Windows 8.1, there will be a problem. Camstudio is not opening, something like let me show it. I have not any photo. Camstudio error. Camstudio error. Yeah, this is the problem you might have facing while installing. After installing Camstudio, this was my problem while installing. After installing the Camstudio, then when I was trying to record videos for my YouTube channel, then I was facing such a problem. You might be also facing such problem. So let me show you how you can fix this problem. So let us start. Before that, I would like to thanks you came here and started watching my videos. So please do one thing also, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. And another thing is, don't forget to press bell icons so that you will get new notification whenever I update a new video. So let's start how to fix Camstudio. If you will see that there are a lot of software for recording YouTube videos and for recording screen, but Camstudio is a very good software as compared to the software available in the market. I prefer Camstudio because very first thing is it is free, and it is a very free, and its interface is also very good, and there is a shortcut you can manage easily while recording videos, and it's the main thing is it's free. If you are new you wanted to start your YouTube channel, you don't have sufficient money so that you can purchase new software and start editing videos and recording videos for your YouTube channel. But if it is Camstudio is free software, you can use it for recording videos. So I prefer Camstudio only. This is the best software according to me. As per my experience, I have for 4 years of experience when I was in first year of my college. Since then I have been using this software for the recording videos. So I will also prefer you to use this Camstudio free software. So that's it. Now let's start how to fix problem if you are using Camstudio. So very first thing is that please just Google it, Camstudio Windows 8.1. just search it. After searching it, you will get first link, which is itself camstudio.org. This is the forum discussion of the Camstudio itself. Just click on that link. After clicking on that link, you will redirect into the discussion page of Camstudio. You will see there are this user, one of user, his name is, I don't know, his name is Terry Britton. He has posted two link. One is to download Camstudio 2.7 version, and along with that there is another software, which software was missing in my PC. That's why I was unable to open Camstudio app. So very first thing is you have to go to control panel and just search program and features. After clicking on program features, and look for Microsoft 2008 C++. See, this is Microsoft Visual C++ 2008. Yeah, this is software for which you should look in your control panel. So let me check it once again. So just click on download it. Software will be downloaded in your system, and then install, and again uninstall Camstudio and try to install again from this link. Where is this link? And you will be able to install software and able to record videos also. And if you face any problem, please comment down below, and I will be upload more videos on how to use Camstudio for recording videos and how to edit videos, which software I am using now. So that's it for this videos, and thank you.